Well, what was happening to me is some of the symptoms was I was having neck pains on my right side. But I had been in a car accident back in the 90s, and I figured in time, that's probably the root cause of my pains. What happened is it bothered me a lot, couldn't sleep. And in the daytime, when I would use my computer, of course, it stems all to my right side and so forth. So I thought, well, it's just part of my neck pain and just gonna have to kind of live with it, exercise, go to the chiropractor, just be proactive on my health. So I did that. I found out I was a clencher. So of course I'm putting a lot of pressure on all that. It's just all the constant, all the time when I'm clenching and not having any kind of relief with what I'm doing now. Dr. Hall, when I came to him for one of my visits, suggested an orthotic. The care that I get here, as far as the relief, no more pain, like I used to was in pain, and I can sleep and I can do more things at home. And I can go do my activities, anything I want to do, and not think about, oh no, I can't because I'm going to stay in bed, or no, I'm hurting today. But I think it just prevents me to do anything that I can do things, activities, whatever, go on vacation if I want to, enjoy myself.